Here are steps you need to take to process a return in Sellercloud. Go to Orders and choose Manage RMA. To find the return you are looking for, you can create a custom filter. Click RMA Status, Open. Go to Add Filter, choose Tracking Number from the drop-down menu. Enter the tracking number and click on Search. Choose the RMA you were looking for. Go to the Actions menu on the right and choose Receive Return. Choose the item quantity you've received and click Receive. You're almost there. Now you only have to click on the Set Resolution icon in the right-hand corner and choose the appropriate resolution from the drop-down menu.